Hello, my good friend from YouTube. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I just decided to do another quick and beautiful video. So today you guys will learn how to use if statement. So what is a if statement? If statement is actually a statement that is used to make a decision in programming language, especially on this course, which is a JavaScript. So please, before we jump into the codes, because I don't like to be in a theory, please just subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a big thumbs up. So let's jump into code. So we're going to use if statement to make a specific decision on how we can display our value, right? So let's say, for instance, that we are using, we want to compare the temperature outside. Let's say, for instance, I'll say create a variable. I'll say my temp be equals to 60, right? This is what we're going to evaluate. So basically, I think I use this variable also. We cannot declare block scope variable that I use. So I'm just going to use temp2, and then the problem will be solved. So I'm just going to say if my temp2, which is this variable, be equals to, let's say, 20, I'll just log a message within the console, say the weather is good, right? Else if this time, if the temperature is equal, my temperature is equals to, we'll say equals to, let's say 10, we can log a message. The temperature is bad. Now the temp temperature is cold. The weather is cold. The weather, let's just say, weather is cold outside. Weather is cold outside. Maybe we can say outside here, outside. Else, we can just display a log. You cannot, put a string, you cannot go outside. Go outside. So now our temperature is equal to 60. You can say we're getting a message, you cannot go outside. So let's say if a temperature is good between 20, and see what message we say we're having a message, the weather is good. So let's say if I put -20, we're getting a message, you cannot go outside, because what? It's very cold. So this is how you guys can use if statement to make a decision. Aside of if statement, you can actually use the switch case, as you guys saw in the last video tutorial. So this is a very quick video tutorial that I want to show you on how can you use switch case. I mean, not switch case, but the if statement to make a decision on within JavaScript programming. I hope you guys like this video tutorial. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channels and give a like to my page. Thank you so much. See you until the next video tutorial.